Exploring the phrase, journey through life. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the English language and unlock its many mysteries together. Today, we're embarking on a fascinating exploration of a beautiful and profound phrase, journey through life. This phrase is packed with meaning and imagery, and understanding it can enrich our appreciation of the English language. So, let's set sail on this linguistic adventure together. At its core, journey through life is a metaphor that describes life as a long trip or voyage. This isn't just any journey. It's one that encompasses all the experiences, challenges, joys, and sorrows we encounter from birth to death. The word, journey, suggests a sense of progression and movement through time and experiences, emphasizing that life is not static but an ongoing adventure. Why a journey? The metaphor of a journey is powerful because it captures the essence of life's unpredictable and evolving nature. Just as travelers encounter various landscapes, weather conditions, and paths along their way, we too face different circumstances, emotions, and stages in life. This metaphor encourages us to see life as an adventure to be lived, not a problem to be solved. The significance of through. The preposition through is crucial here. It implies passage, from start to finish, through the myriad aspects of life. It suggests continuity and movement, indicating that while we may face obstacles, we continue to move forward, learning and growing along the way. Understanding life as a journey offers several valuable lessons. Resilience. Like travelers who must adapt to changing conditions, we learn to be resilient, bouncing back from life's challenges. Appreciation. Viewing life as a journey helps us appreciate the moments of beauty and joy, recognizing them as precious stops along the way. Growth. Every experience, whether good or bad, is an opportunity for growth, shaping us into who we are meant to be. In wrapping up our exploration of the phrase, journey through life, we hope you've gained a deeper understanding and appreciation for this beautiful metaphor. It's a reminder that life, with all its ups and downs, is a journey worth taking. Thank you for joining us on this linguistic voyage. Remember, every day is a new step on your journey through life, so embrace it with open arms and an adventurous spirit. Until next time, keep exploring the beauty of the English language.